Sala Lancet drone is one of Russia's most effective weapon system, taking out multiple M777 artillery system with a lot more equipment, giving Russia a quick deploying, flexible targeting and fairly cheap and small weapon system. Lancet helps Russia counter their shortcoming, which is why it's becoming one of their most effective weapons. While not having a lot of firepower, the shaped charge or high explosive warhead with a few kilograms is enough to disable or destroy almost all equipment. While not quick at around 100 km per hour, the endurance of 40 minutes help it either to find a target or track after a target that is trying to move. One of Lancet's latest target was a Ukrainian Thor surface-to-air missile system. The drone was following the Thor on the road and catched up with it, just going a few dozen kilometers per hour faster. If Russia would have tried to target the surface-to-air system with their regular capability, they would most likely take too long to launch longer range missile or artillery before the system moved, or they would struggle with precision. Lancet drone helps Russia come over both these problems. Ukraine has tried to counter this threat both with short-range surface-to-air system and even netting, but has had modest result. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.